was saying that.
You'll like this. This is nice crispy snack.
The keeper, whereas the one that took aim. Because just hey, come on. I like when you were talking about him earlier.
So this one goes left and right.
Okay.
When you go like this, it goes backwards, and when you push, it goes forwards. Typhoon and the drone. This thing, your eye go left and right like this, and this is to go focus in and out. Okay. And when you're focusing, once you get the right first get the right distance.
Okay.
Then do one eye at a time.
Okay.
And first tighten the back so it's. From everybody. Thank you, everybody. We are doing the drag strip.
No idea.
He does not condone anything. He's like, go fast.
YouTube.
I will. And it would be like Dr. Patel, he did that. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, go.
Oh, oh, oh.